Right, vision guys. Okay. Oh, maganda tama. 1-0. Oh, laki oh. Nice catch. Secure mo na agad. Guys, welcome back. Another fishing adventure today. Tama natin yung episode natin.
Jing
Ray, the master. Frankenstein. Johnny Mao. And Master 360. Yun. Ayan guys, ganda ng tanawin dito. Okay, medyo lilim. Wala, makadali tayo dito guys. Okay guys, naka-ready na si Jim Ray. Yung sinima, nagsisit up na. Sit up tayo guys. Si Jim Ray's vlog. Alright guys, tapos na akong mag-set up. Akas na tayo. Alright. Kuha tayo ng kain. Alright, fish on guys. Okay. Oh, maganda tama. 1-0. 1-0 guys, 1-0. Dito ka naman. Masip. Weh. Oh. Di ba? Wala kang mahuli dyan. Dito ka. Oh, laki oh. Nice catch. Secure mo na agad. Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo. Baka malaglag pa. Sabit naman. Ganda sabit niya. Tatanggal kasi yan pag gumanon eh. Nice catch. Padali si Neymar guys. Daming strike eh. Sige. Ah, sobra. Sumabit pa yun. Persahin mo na lang. Persahin mo. Persahin na ta guys. Hindi, hawakan ko. Huwag dyan daan. Doon sa gilid. Pwede rin dito pag ano. Kasi marami rin dyan eh. Baka lumayo sila. Vision. Doon sa gilid. Vision guys, vision. Doon na, manggilid ka. Oo nga, tapos manggilid ka doon. Kaya, ilahin ko. Naku, parang matanggal na. Hey! Hirap eh. Ha? Ang dami strike dyan. Alright guys, nakadalawa na tayo. Dapat pag-agis mo eh, alalayan mo agad na ano, hindi lumagpas. Yung sa kanya kasi inagis nila malakas eh. Dapat alalay lang talaga. Oh, may huli? Saan yan? Oh, may huli na si Jimo. Tapon mo kay Louie. Huli? Umitaw ah. Wala siya. Ano, sabit rin? Huli? Puson na naman. Alright guys, puson. Oh, malaki. Malaki. Butik. Alright guys. OMG. Ganda ng sabit ah. Ah, putik. Huli rin. Weh! Hindi na naman mahanap. Laki nun. Sinugatan pa ako. Right guys, pasok tayo. Grabe, strike ulit to. Unlimited strike. Oh, diyan ka na pumisto. Laki na naman. Alright guys, laki na naman. Anjir. Naku. Laki guys. Grabe. Putulin mo na. May gamit naman ako dun. Oh. Ah, utik. Kaya mo na. Uy, uli pala eh. Baliktad yung hawak ko. Pambira, alis ka dyan. Sayang uli ko. Sasaway ito si Jimo boy. Ang dami yata sila dyan no. dito si Jimo. Alam mo muna. Ako rin. Hindi ko pinatawad. Grabe guys oh. Nilapitan na talaga yung spot. May marunong maglinis. Tanggal lang dito ka lang. Oh, squirrel na squirrel. Oh, ganda ng squirrel. Sayang. Ano ka pre?
Wala mang ano.
Ayun, kutsilyo.
Yan, kutsilyo yung ano.
Yung plier ko. Tanggalin mo lang yung ano, bituka. Tsaka asang. Oh, plastic. Wala pala tayong bit-bit. Doon sa naagos pre, linisan. Hindi mo, kamusta yung ano mo? Yung pamimingwit. Kasi nilapitan mo na talaga yung isda eh. Gaya na kayo yung ano. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, buhay pa rin ah. Alright guys, kakat na. That's all for the day. Medyo success naman yung fishing adventure natin. Nag-enjoy yung the best master natin si Jimray. Jimray's vlog. Brother Louie, Mr. 360, Rocky Boy, and Nimar. Okay, see you sa pagluto natin ng huli natin. Alright. Wag ganon, dala kay tubig na panghugas.
I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's living in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. We try to do what you love, what you've done.
Thank you, Jimray.
Kutsara dyan. Kutsara. Show you what you want.
Alright, kainan na guys. Yan. Yan na ako.
All I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.